Francisco. I am vlogging. Hopefully I can share the food that I'm going to be eating with you guys. And we can recreate those dishes on Ivy's Kitchen, hopefully. Let's go. Entering the Ferry building. So as soon as you walk in here, it smells amazing. It smells like bread and garlic, cheese. Cowboy Creamery. Let's try a sample. Look at that big block of Parmigiano Reggiano.
Thank you.
And this is at the Ferry building.
Oh my god.
How good is it? Good?
It melts in your mouth. So good.
Hi, Ivy's Kitchen. That's why I said it, because I was like, wait, that's
Ivy's Kitchen, right here.
Ivy's Kitchen. I'm looking you up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The cheese is amazing. Check out Cowgirl Creamery here at the Ferry building in San Francisco.
Can you eat it brine or no?
You can?
Yeah, you can.
Cheers, girls.
Cheers.
Thank you. Try it. Mmm. That's creamy. Mmm. I'm licking the spoon like it's a lollipop. Mmm.
Imagine this with the crackers.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
So their cheese is really good.
It is good. So, yeah, let's go check out the store. So this store has a lot of different cheeses to choose from. They also have tools that will grate your cheese or slice your cheese in different sizes. They also carry jams, which are great with mixing with brie cheese. And they also do carry crackers, cold cuts that will go perfect with cheese and crackers like salami. And more cheese. Yes, please. I love cheese. Can you tell? So we're gonna try some olive oil. It tastes lemony and lemony.
Good.
Let's try the
Jalapeno?
jalapeno. That tastes jalapeno-y.
Is it spicy?
No. Sorry, I'm hungry. I'm hogging up everything right now. Bruschetta.
You guys, let's go.
That's very garlicky. This is called the McAvoy Ranch. Decided against that blue bottled coffee because we just want regular coffee. Hey, there's no line. Let's go. Yay, let's go. All right. Pete's Coffee. All right, let's go add some half and half to our coffee. First, I like to get a napkin. Put it down here because I don't like it when
Is there half and half?
cover on the napkin. We're at Be Kind, so we're gonna try this raspberry honey.
Yeah, this is our Northwest Raspberry. It's a pretty popular honey that we sell. Generally comes from the border of Oregon and Washington.
Okay.
And it's nice because it's a little bit more tart compared to the other honeys, but it has a light raspberry taste to it.
It's like candy.
Yeah.
It's floral.
Honey and California flavor is really good.
California Clover is going to be a really good one.
I actually got the honey dipper in the Philippines for 50 cents at the mall.
So it's a good all-around tabletop honey, so it's kind of like use it for whatever you want to use honey for.
Oh, that's good. I like that better.
And then if you want to try any other ones, you can hold on to your spoon.
It has a natural sweetness to it. All right, let me try this.
I mean, I love that California one.
It's thicker.
Sweeter, I think.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
sweeter.
definitely.
tapioca is good.
Lavender honey?
Would you like to try some, or are you just looking to get some?
It really has the essence of lavender. I personally prefer the California clover because the sweetness it balances. It's not too overpowering. And it's probably because I'm from California. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end my video right here with this food blog. I hope you enjoyed this type of video, even though it wasn't cooking. And what is my girl doing in the background? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!